Hey, everybody. Welcome back to Zero Distortion. Your mindset. It's only as strong as the inputs you allow. Garbage in, garbage out. It's no different than your body. What you feed it is what it runs on. So let me ask you, what are you feeding your head every day? I mean, most of us, we don't think twice about it. We scroll social media, we flip on the news, listen to whoever's talking loudest, and wonder why we're anxious, angry, or even exhausted. The truth is, negativity is built into the system. News thrives on outrage. Social media, it rewards conflict. Even some of the conversations you have every day revolve around what's broken instead of what's possible. And if that's all you're letting in, it's really no wonder you feel weighed down. The flip side is this: when you start choosing better inputs, then your outlook changes. Instead of an hour scrolling, listen to a podcast that pushes your thinking. Instead of filling your feed with arguments, follow people who are actually building something. Instead of constant news alerts, read one or two sources that inform you without drowning you. The difference is small. What you consume trains your focus, and your focus shapes your mindset. So here's my challenge for you: audit your inputs. For the next week, pay attention to what you're consuming. If it leaves you angry, drained, or stuck, cut it back. If it pushes you, informs you, or lifts you up, double down on it. Because you can't control everything that happens in the world, but you can control what you let into your head. And those inputs are either fuel for growth or fuel for frustration. Choice is yours. Thanks for listening to Zero Distortion. If this hit home, share it with someone who might need a reminder to protect their focus. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one.